What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, I love carbon fiber and I got a big package. That's funny. I got a big let me try that again. As you know, I love carbon fiber and I got a big box that was upstairs waiting for me when I got back from Saudi Arabia, ready to install it. It's about to look better. Let's check it out. But first, we gotta move it forward because I don't have any room on that side to work. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Coldest. Let's pull a little forward so I can get access to the back of the blade there. Yeah, let's go. Alright. So I've been gone for 7 months, as you know, and just sitting in the car really puts a smile on my face, cranking it up, hearing that RB roar, or at idle. So since I can't drive the car currently because it's not JCI'd, which is a 2-year inspection, that's pretty rigorous. Mine expired when I was in Saudi Arabia, so I have to do a bunch of work to it. I gotta put the factory exhaust, or not factory, I gotta get some cats on it. My HKS dual dragger exhaust doesn't have any place to put cats because it's an off-road track use only. I got my new Equalink front pipe. I'm gonna have to get a OEM cat and my new 5-zig cat back exhaust. Throw it on there and take it up there. I'm gonna have to raise the suspension a little bit to pass JCI. It's a little too low. And that should be about it. I don't have any leaks, and all my CV axle boots were good. No check engine lights are on, so it's me a win. But currently, I ordered, so I have the OEM spoiler here, OEM wing, much better than the wheel slide I had on here earlier. So today, we're gonna install the new carbon fiber devil wing. Really excited to put it on. I've been waiting. This is one of the first mods that I bought when I was in Saudi Arabia for the car. Let's open it up. Grab my keys, open up this little tape job that I did. Ooh. But check this out. Gonna slide this out. But check out carbon fiber devil wing, looking really nice. But this is gonna look so good on the car. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we're good. It's gonna look really aggressive on the car. So let's pop this other one off. All I need is a screwdriver.
Can I help?
Real quick, bust these screws off. Take the end plates off. I need to get some carbon fiber ones of these. That would be a lot better. It's like 1,000 degrees out here. Okay. Thankfully, everything came out there. All right, whoever installed this previously used like a bolt instead of the screw setup that everything else came with. So, there we go. And it's like covered in like a caulk or a sealant or something. What the heck? What is going on here? That's not cool, man. Whoever repaired this did like a really crappy job. I don't know if I'm gonna get that off. All right, so we got the old one off. It was a pain in the butt. It's really hard to do by myself.
Yeah. Did they hear that?
Oh yeah. Well, it's on there. All right, so finally got the wing on. fully installed. Had to clean up where the old wing was. It left some like residue and things, but man, what do you guys think? How does this look? I think it really does a whole lot to make the back end of the car look way more aggressive. I'm loving it. Oh, I've been waiting for this wing. I want to do this mod for as long as I can remember. Yeah, relatively straightforward. Just side plates come off, 2 screws on each side. If you have a buddy to help, it makes it a whole lot easier. I was out here struggling, making a fool of myself, and I dropped a wrench, scratched the paint. Feeling sick to my stomach right now about it. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and as always, I'll see you next time.